What's up everyone? Hope you're doing okay. This is a live trading recap session and the star of today's video is Lucid Motors. Lucid is an American electric vehicle manufacturer. It produces luxury electrical vehicles. Some say it competes with Tesla. Lucid or LCID is a volatile stock and is great for trading. Was it an easy trade? Did I succeed? Let's have a look. So the market just opened and I entered a small position, only 400 shares. I saw a good movement. The stock price went up and then pulled back a bit. So I entered on a pullback. I entered just a bit above the support level. The white lines on the chart support levels that I marked before the market opened when I planned this trade. The price just bounced from the support level and I added to my position another 200 shares, so in total 600 shares now. You see the green line just went up a bit. This is my average cost, and the price just dropped down, and if support level doesn't hold the price, it can just fail on me. It dropped even below the VWAP line, the white line on the chart, and this might be the great time to exit the trade, but it looks like it reversed. Okay, let's give it another chance. It's also the perfect time to like this video and subscribe. This is the move I was waiting for, and here will be my first profit target level. I took out 200 shares for a quick profit of $100. I don't want to exit the trade just yet. I think it has some room to go even higher. So let's wait and be patient. Here we go. Very nice. This is a high of the day. The price is starting to slow down. It might be a great time to exit, so I took another 200 shares and I'm out. I have a $472 profit. After a couple of minutes, LCID has another great setup. It's approaching the resistance level now, and it might break out, so I will enter another position. You can see the tension is building up in a 10-second chart. Okay, so I entered just 200 shares. At this point it might fail on me and I can lose some money. That's why I'm risking a smaller amount, only $8,000. But it looks like I was right and it will jump even higher. Okay, here we go. If I exit now, I'll have another $100, but I want to give it a chance and wait a bit. I think it might go even higher. But anyways, an additional $100 will be enough. So I'm watching it closely. Nice. In order to maximize the profits, I will set a limit sell order 44.68, but I see price goes even higher. Let's adjust the price 44.83, and nice, I'm out. An additional $242. This is a perfect ending of the trade. Thank you guys for watching. If it helps you in any way, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see even more live trading sessions. See you.